Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Zoo7. Today it's Sunday. Normally I don't record videos on Sunday, and when I do, I don't record videos on Sunday. This is probably one of the first videos I've ever recorded on Sunday. That means this is going to be one of the most unenthusiastic videos you've ever seen. My arm's a little unburnt. The intro is very slacky. I'm just tired. Sunday's my day off, but I thought, hey, I got some extra LEDs lying around. Let's go throw some in the MazdaSpeed. Look at this. This is disgusting. Can you guys see all that cat hair? He just sheds in this corner. Anyways, guys, so today what we're going to be doing is a LED reverse light installation on the second gen. I might as well just say second gen. I don't want to say MazdaSpeed, but does MazdaSpeed scare you naturally aspirated guys away? Because I feel like when I say MazdaSpeed, you're like, oh, that suddenly doesn't involve me. But like, I mean, it does. This video, oh, I got some math skills, bro. This video, you guys can do it on any car. Like I did on my first gen, and I'm using the same LEDs I used on the first gen on the second gen. So the second gens are easy. You pop a little cap off the hatch. I don't know about you sedan guys, it might be the same. And then it gives you direct access to the light and even the bolts that hold the reverse housing in. So today we're gonna be taking out the old ones, putting in the new ones, and calling it an LED day. Let's go ahead, put them in. I'm gonna go grab my Mazda. Nice Mazda, can't put my sandal on. That moment when your dad gets mad for you leaving all your stuff in the house and he lays one of his side steps right in the middle of the garage. Shaking my head. So when I pull my car in here, you're gonna see I already have an LED on the passenger side. So keep an eye out, see what one you like more. I'm not gonna lie, the LEDs that I am putting in, they're like really cheap ones. So I went and bought actual good one, and they're coming in soon. So when those come in, I'll just switch them out. So if the lighting wants to cooperate with us, we're going to be working on, I don't know what the sedans are like, but for the hatchback, this is all you guys need to get to your taillight. So go ahead, take a flathead screwdriver. There is a little tab where you can fit it in and then just pry on it. Give it a little good pry. Now you guys will see there's the light. You just twist it out. And then also you get the actual taillight out. If you guys want to do that, 2 bolts, but we're just going to be doing the LED. So this is the stock halogen, and I got a pack of LEDs right here. These take 7440s, and these are just a white LED. And like I said, these are the cheaper ones. I believe these, I think there's better ones. These are very cheap. I got 10 of them for like 10 bucks. One thing that I did notice is with the LEDs fitting into these is they're a little tight of a fit. So I'm gonna go put it in reverse. I'm gonna see if it works. These are polarity specific. So basically that means that if you put them in one way, they don't work. You rotate them 180, put them in that way, and they should work. So the car's on right now, it's not on. I'm gonna go ahead, rotate it 180, put it in, and there you guys have. So remember when I said cheap LEDs? I don't want to look at this because it's kind of bright, but you can see the individual bulb, which is what I don't want. I want a bunch of bulbs together, so it makes a nice bright, so it's a constant light instead of, I guess you would say, special light. And we know that works. Go ahead and put it back in. To do that, find the sweet spot and twist it clockwise, and there you go. Slide it back. And voila, you got LEDs. Now let's go ahead and close the half. Take a look at these bad boys. Those look pretty cool. They actually do look very nice. Obviously my camera's a little kind of trying to adapt to light here. They're pretty bright. I had them outside. You could really see just the light, like the bulb lit up themselves. That's what I'm saying. I want something that outcasts a bit more light. So those are done. It's already got LED brake lights in it, and then I believe, yes, so turn signals is going to be a project one day. I do want to get bright turn signals and obviously brighter LEDs. So if these LEDs work, the new ones I'm going to be getting, if they're brighter, then I'm going to do them for that side and then put LED resistors in. LED reverse lights, a lot nicer than the dirty yellow ones. That's the video for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that easy installation. That literally took me like 5 minutes. So far, easy to work on besides the oil change. If you guys watched that video, oh my god. But other than that, that's it for today. So we're gonna be doing LED turn signals one day. My name is Zoo7. I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep on vibing.